Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Siksha by Dr. Siksha. I am Dr. Siksha and this is the first class of my channel, and the first subject that I have selected for my channel is Biology for Engineers, code BB0C407 for VTU. This is in the fourth semester for all the departments. So why I have selected this subject as my first subject for this channel, in a while I will tell. First of all, let's move ahead. So this Biology for Engineers is in the fourth semester for VTU, and its code is BB0C407. Yes, coming to my introduction. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Siksha. I have done my PhD in Artificial Intelligence in Healthcare from Liverpool John Moores University, UK in December 2025. And before that, I have done my Masters of Science in Data Science from Liverpool University, UK. And before that, I have done my postgraduate diploma in data science from IIT Bangalore. And before that, I have done one of my more masters in nanoelectronics and nanotechnology from University of Southampton, UK. And before that, I have done my BE from Manipal Institute of Technology. Currently, I am working as an assistant professor in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department in CMR Institute of Technology, Bangalore, and I'm also working as SME and UPRAT. So in my class, generally after my introduction, I tell my students to give their quick introduction, but that is not possible here. So you can tell me about yourselves in the comment section. So yeah, coming to the purpose, why I have selected this module. So when I went to teach this to my sections, so everyone was having question, why biology for engineers? Why we are studying this? That also in the fourth semester. So that I gave them an example, same example I am going to say here also. So nowadays, you guys are seeing different types of artificial organs, then prosthetic limbs, then artificial intelligence in healthcare, just now I told. So like, for example, I will give example of a pacemaker. What is a pacemaker? It is an artificial type of heart that works for a person whose heart is not working properly or he is having some problem with his heart. For them, pacemaker is required, that is provided to carry on a healthy life. So now question comes, who designs or develops pacemaker? A doctor? No. So it is designed by a scientist. He can be a doctor or an engineer. So suppose an engineer who designed a pacemaker, he doesn't know about how a heart functions. How will he be able to design a pacemaker which is just working as an heart, as an artificial organ of heart? So basic or fundamental knowledge of biology is very much required for all the engineers or any other technology persons. So now coming to the point why I have selected this Biology for Engineers for my channel as the first subject for my channel. It is because when I was preparing the material for Biology for Engineers for my students, I did not find many materials related to the VTU syllabus. So each university syllabus is different than other university syllabus, and for VTU I couldn't find a lot of contents for this subject. So I decided why not to go with this subject, which is just not interesting. It also doesn't have a lot of materials on the internet. So as I have discussed just now, that biology for engineers, why it is required, not only for devices, prosthetics, biomimicry, we will see in a while. So it is required. Fundamental knowledge of biology is required in all the fields, whether it is mechanical, electrical, or environmental energy. So real life example I gave just now of a pacemaker. In the similar way, artificial organs are designed, and nowadays we can see that AI is detecting disease from medical images. So those medical images who are studying, who are giving that as output for the AI models. So that's why we should have a fundamental knowledge of medical field, that is biology. So yeah, so has it created curiosity and relevance? Hope so. So nowadays, we have a lot of challenges either in healthcare, sustainability, biotechnology. So that requires the understanding by us that how living systems work. In all the modern fields such as biotechnology, bioinformatics, you will find the integration of biology with engineering or any other different subjects or technologies. So yeah, I just now went through this slide. I have talked it about in the last slide. You can go through it. So what is biology? It is a science that deals with living organisms and their vital processes. Biology is divided into two parts. One is study of plants known as botany and study of animals known as zoology. So yes, coming to the VTU subject, biology for engineers. So yeah, I'm not going to provide that. So what is the requirement? You should just know the basic knowledge of life science. What we are, what plants are, those things. Later, after that, all details we will go through in this coming modules. So what are the course objectives as referred by VTU? It is to familiarize the students and to enable the students with the understanding the principle to create novel devices and structures using biological techniques, and to motivate the students to develop an interdisciplinary vision of biological engineering. So course outcome is one who is going through this course should know about the basic biological concepts via the industrial applications and case studies. Yes, these all are the references books you can find. So these are the good books. You can go through it because not a lot of details are there on the internet regarding this VTU subject. I have also provided few of webinars and video link e-resources. I will provide them in the comment section. Yes, so coming to the lesson plan and modules as according to VTU. This subject has been divided into 5 modules and each module is having 5 classes. So in total 25 classes in one module for biology for engineers. In the first module, we are going to learn about cell basic unit of life, introduction, structure and function of cells, stem cells and their applications. The next important thing, biomolecules, its properties and functions of biomolecules, carbohydrates, nucleic acids, proteins and lipids. After that, in this module, we are going to see the importance of special biomolecules and their purpose and functions of enzymes, again which are biomolecules, vitamins and hormones. Module 2 is the application of biomolecules, where we will study about carbohydrates in cellulose-based water filters production, PHA and PLA in bioplastic production. Similarly, we will study about nucleic acids, proteins, enzymes in detail. Then module 3, it is the adaptation of anatomical principles for bioengineering design. Here we are going to study about brain as a CPU system, eye as a camera system, heart as a pump system, lung as purification system, kidney as a filtration system. Again, module 4 and module 4 we will go accordingly after 1, 2 and 3 module. So it's not possible to be interactive, but you can ask your questions and doubts or anything through the comment section. So not to make it more lengthy. So yes, I hope whatever I have prepared for this subject, it's my own material. Even I will provide the writing material for the students, which I am providing for my students. I will try to provide here in the comment section so that other students can benefit from it. And yes, whatever slides I have prepared is my own, and I have tried to simplify this subject so that anyone who is going to study the biology first time also can learn about what is biology for engineers. So in the coming session, in the first class, we will be going to study about cell. What are cells? What are different kind of cells like plant cell and animal cell? And what are eukaryotic and prokaryotic type of cells? This is the first class of first module. So hope you enjoy this coming sessions, and hope you have got a clear idea about what we are going to do in our coming sessions. So be in touch, and you can subscribe me and follow me, and so that you can, whenever my new videos are coming, you can get through it. And thank you very much for watching my first video of this channel. Thanks again. Bye.